Dear students, welcome to my class. So in my last video, I have discussed up to this exercise, which is in page number 39. So today I am going to discuss the remaining portion of this chapter. It's in page number 40. So the question is, identify the adjectives and write them in the correct columns. So there are three kinds of adjectives here. So I have used three symbols. For adjective of quality, I have underlined. For adjectives of quantity, I have circled. And for adjective of number, I have given tick. These are the three symbols which I have used for three different kinds of adjective, so that you don't get confused. So let's start the exercise. There were two red apples and three green apples in the bag. See, here you can see there are two adjective of number for which I have given tick mark. 2 and 3, this is exact number. And the underlined ones are adjective of quality. This is red and green, which is indicating the color of apple. So these two are adjective of quality and these two are adjective of number. Next is Kohli scored many runs with his big heavy bat. Here there are three adjectives. So here many, which is not indicating the exact number. So this one is adjective of quantity, which I have encircled. And big and heavy are the qualities of bat. So this I have underlined. Next is today is a sunny day. So sunny is indicating the quality of the day. Is what type of day it is. It is a sunny day. So this is an adjective of quality. 3 clever boys and girls came to see me. See here, there are two adjectives here. One is 3 and one is clever. So 3 is an adjective of number and clever is the quality of boys and girls. So this is an adjective of quality. Next is, there is a little gravy left in a new bowl. So gravy means a sauce. So a little, so this is an amount, which is the adjective of quantity. And new is a adjective of quality. Next is, there is enough tea in the pot for 4 people. See here you can see there are two adjectives. One is enough and the other is 4. So 4 is indicating adjective of number and enough is the amount. So which is not telling the exact number. You cannot count. So for uncountable things we use this type of adjectives such as some, enough, little, few. So enough is an adjective of quantity. Number 7, I bought some paint and several brushes. So some and several are two adjectives for paint and brushes. So these are also not indicating the exact number, not telling the exact number. So these are adjective of quantity. Next is, he went to the small shop next to his house to buy a kilo of rice. See here, the small is in telling the size of the shop, which is the adjective of quality, for which I have underlined. And a kilo is the exact number, means exact amount of rice. A kilo, the exact measurement. So it comes under adjective of number. Next is, that colorful book has many beautiful pictures. Here there are three adjectives. One is colorful, many and beautiful. So colorful and beautiful are indicating the adjective of quality and many is the adjective of quantity. So for which I have encircled. Number 10, the two all-rounders played an excellent match. So here there are two adjectives. 2, one is 2, which is an adjective of number, and the other is excellent, which is indicating the quality of the match. So this is an adjective of quality. Next is, she asked a few simple questions. There are two adjectives. One is a few and the other is simple. So a few questions indicates that they ask some questions. The exact number is not given. So a few comes under adjective of quantity. And simple is the type of question, which means the quality, which is simple means easy. So it comes under adjective of quality. I would like to have some tasty food. So here in this sentence there are two adjectives. One is some and the other is tasty. So tasty is indicating telling the quality of the food, so which comes under adjective of quality. This one comes under adjective of quantity. So for underline, adjective of quality I have underlined. For adjective of quantity I have circled. You can see in the exercise. And for adjective of number I have given a tick mark. And you have to fill up this according to the adjective. So let's go to next page, page number 41. Here there is another kind of adjective, that is possessive adjectives. So this type of adjectives are adjectives which tell us what belongs to whom. If I say this is my bag, that my is the adjective of, is the possessive adjective. This adjective is indicating that it is my bag. If I say this is your bag, the word your is a possessive adjective which is indicating that the book belongs to you. So possessive adjective means the adjectives that tell us what belongs to whom. There is a definition. Adjectives that show possession or belongingness are called possessive adjectives. Here there are 3 sentences. One is, these are my shoes. So my is a possessive adjective. That is your desk. So your is a positive adjective. And the other is, those are his shoes. His is a possessive adjective. Mean the adjectives which tell us what belongs to whom. So there is a note which I will tell now. See here, possessive adjectives are followed by nouns. See, possessive adjectives are these adjectives which are followed by nouns. Means after this adjective, these are all possessive adjectives. After this, nouns are followed. These are all nouns, no? And the difference, this is possessive adjective, and possessive pronouns stand alone. That there is a difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. So listen carefully. Possessive pronouns stand alone. There is an example such as, these shoes are mine. This is a possessive pronoun because after this no noun is followed. It stands alone. So this is known as possessive adjective. There is another example. Those are your shoes. See, after this adjective noun is followed. So this one comes under possessive adjective. This is the difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. In possessive adjective, after the adjective, if a noun is followed, then that adjective is known as possessive adjective, and that one is known as possessive adjective. And if here you see, this shoes are mine, here this one comes after this one, no noun is followed, so this one is a pronoun. So the pronoun will be possessive pronoun, and this one will be possessive adjective because this word is describing the noun, and adjective means word. The word we describes the noun. So here you see, the word your is describing the noun shoes. Clear? So this is the difference between positive adjectives and possessive pronouns. So I hope you will understand the different kinds of adjectives. So in my next video I shall discuss the one exercise that is left from this chapter, and then the chapter will get over. So thank you.